Due to the Dixie fire, a mandatory evacuation order has been issued for all of Chester from the Highway 36, Highway 89 junction east to the Causeway, the intersection of Old Red Bluff Highway and Warner Valley RD east to Lake Chance Campground south to Highway 36, on the Causeway southwest to the intersection of Highway 89 and Highway 36, north to the intersection of Old Red Bluff Highway and Warner Valley Road. You should evacuate to the east to the shelter in Susanville at the Lassen Community College at 478 200 CA 139. Those who need transportation should call 530-283-414.
Due to